Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will be unboxing and reviewing this NURSAL white noise machine. Here you can find the specifications, diameter, height, weight, loudness, power, and the packing list. You get white noise machine, USB charging cable, and the user manual. You also have 8 natural relaxing sounds like rain, bird, thunderstorm, ocean, white noise, brook, lullaby, and lullaby 2. Let's go ahead and open the box. Here you find the instruction manual. And here we have the USB cable and the adapter. Here you have the machine. So I will go and plug this in and I will be back to show you how it works. Okay friend, it's already connected. I will be removing this protector. I already set the time and the date, and here you turn it on. You can check here the mode. You use the mode to change the time and the date. The timer, you have 5 minutes, 15 or 30 minutes, and if you don't use the timer, the machine is not gonna turn off. It's gonna be all night. Okay, now here you control the volume. You see, it's very loud, so I will be putting this down. And now let's hear the sounds. That's my favorite. That's the thunderstorm. Or the ocean, I believe that's the ocean. That's the lullaby. Yes, that's the water, the running water. That's my favorite. The birds. The rain. And that's the white noise. Okay. Okay. Also, you have a place for batteries in case the power goes off or you go on vacation and you don't have power or electric plug-in. You can use this one. And I think it's very important for me to have one. I'm talking about my experience because I always sleep with a fan on. And what happens if I go on vacation, I don't have a fan or it's too cold to use one. So that's when this NURSAL white noise machine comes very handy. Also, I would like to say that if you're having a baby, this machine will save your life. You know, the babies need some sort of noise, and even for big kids, the lullabies, or for babies also, the lullaby is very, very calming and relaxing. It's great if you do yoga also, because you can use this machine to relax. And I think it's a great purchase. If you are interested, I will leave the link in the description box. And as always, thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye.